Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. We are going to be playing, I have no idea what I forgot what it's called, but it's a very weird game. So you gotta hold it, let go, and then tap it and hold it. Well, basically hold it in the air when it turns. Yeah.
You know,
I'm gonna kill all of you.
I've been thinking if you're jonesing for a baby, you could probably still pop
Oh yeah, and you
out.
can't stay on the animals forever.
I guess so. Just have to meet the right guy.
You sure? It didn't stop you the first 2 times.
So yeah, it's pretty much this man.
Luke's parents. First they don't want a thing to do with this baby, and now they're freaking out because I'm giving up their beloved grandkid.
What about Luke?
Yay.
He's useless. Oh, and get this.
Go.
Now his parents are insisting that they're going to adopt the baby. What'd you tell them? I told them that I don't want my kid being raised by religious fanatics. I want it raised
No!
by sexuals.
But I don't know what that is. That's a new animal. So we gotta go catch up to it.
Report she's gonna need a goodie.
Previously on Mom.
Alvin Lester Boletnikov.
Who's that?
Oh no, my
Do you
gosh.
remember Bonnie Plunkett?
Honey.
So guys, we are just gonna do 3 more rounds of this, and then we will end this video right here.
Yeah, I got that.
So hope you enjoyed, subscribe, use that link for, and keep on supporting sub for sub, please. I really appreciate that.
Get real. I'm a black woman who embezzled money from white people.
Go!
Jail.
But yeah, like I said, 3 more rounds, and then we'll end the video right there.
Well, it's only fair. Kicked up bars help build
Oh, no. And I'm dead.
I'd like to propose a toast. To Regina,
Mm,
great friend, sober
ooh.
and convicted felon. Tomorrow,
Go.
you're starting your prison sentence.
We can do this.
Parole in May.
We need to get that animal. Hopefully, guys,
My turn.
and 2 more rounds, I can get that.
You embezzled
That's all we
$3
have
million
left.
from people who trusted you.
Oh,
You shouldn't
I got
go to
lucky.
jail. You should go to Wall Street.
Yes, elephant, come here.
Regina.
Die!
Hey, look who's here, taking advantage of her employee discount.
Oh, thank you.
Off.
It's 10%.
Really? Everybody stop eating.
I'm kidding. So what's the occasion? Somebody's birthday?
Is it one
No.
of your sober anniversaries? I just asked because you're the
Guys,
only people in the restaurant
hopefully.
officially exempt.
Okay, hopefully, guys, we can get this in our last round.
It's just a little bon voyage for our friend Regina. Oh,
Now let's go.
Job chilling.
ooh, sounds fancy.
So, yeah.
What's that, a resort in the Caribbean?
It's a women's prison near Modesto.
Guys, we can do this.
Answer your next question.
I believe.
Hey! Turn off my alarm.
Well,
It's right down there.
Guys,
See? Hit your head. Thank
sorry, we have to end this video right here
it's not the married boss you were sleeping.
because that was the last round.
you. All you have to do is put it on pause.